Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you browse filters or effects on Instagram. So what you need to do is, first of all, you can just move to the left side of your Instagram from where you create your stories or posts. And now what you can do is you can either click a photo from here. Let's suppose you click the selfie, and on the top right here, um i don't I don't know if you can see my tap, but I'm actually tapping on the third option. There are four options above. I'm tapping the third one, that is kind of like stars. I can even draw it for you guys so you can just see better. This option I'm pressing, and it browses, it's giving me the effects, so I can just browse and select whatever I want for myself. But sometimes that is not enough for me. So what I can do here is even if you selected a photo from your gallery, you would pretty much get the same effects. You would pretty much get the same options here. So let's just go back on that option. Let's just select any filter at all, and then you see this filter name and the creator's name, that's his now 2.0 by Philip P whatever. You press on that in the middle, and then you get this menu, and now you can press either more from here, and then you see more filters from this guy, or you can press you can just go back. I think that's by pressing done, and you can press view effect page, and now you get these effects. Now you're only seeing these filters, but you want to see more filters, like not only by this particular artist. So you just go back. Let me just show you real quick. Now right now I am back on my the first screen that you see on Instagram. So now I just select any filter at all, I press this, and now all the way down I see this browse effect gallery, the second last option. Press on that, and now you see a bunch of other options, a bunch of other filters, and these are like sorted in whatever manner on the top, like they are categorized like for reels, for Instagram selfies. So you can just select any one of these, whichever you might like, and you can just explore through all the kind of filters. I don't know why it's not loading right now, but that is essentially the process to do this. So I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.